But the last time we saw one was February 18th. You might see why it would have felt like it was going to be over. It was a month before we saw one, but we saw one this morning. The normal we see for an entire season is 29. So we're going to end below normal in terms of freezes for the season. The average last freeze, March 12th. So seeing one this time of the year is certainly not uncommon. The latest we've ever seen a freeze at DFW, April 13th. That's when it becomes uncharted territory. So the freeze warning is not in effect for the Metroplex tonight. It's in effect for eastern portions of North Texas through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. That's the area that will see temperatures down to 30 to 32. So, you know, if you live in Mineola, Sulphur Springs, Greenville, Canton, Wills Point, Terrell, Kaufman, you name it. That's the areas that really need to be concerned with a freeze tonight. Otherwise, it'll hover very close. Denton County, Collin County, Fort Worth and Dallas with the heat island here will stay in the upper 30s and upper 30s to the southwest of the Metroplex. You look across the Dallas-Fort Worth area in more detail, 35 in Louisville, 37 in Frisco tonight, 36 in Weatherford, 33 in Rockwall, 34 in Kaufman, 36 degrees in Lancaster. So we take a look at radar, it's quiet. If it weren't, we might be seeing snow. Thankfully, it is quiet. So you see there's the clouds off to the west. A little bit of cloud cover tomorrow. We'll turn mostly cloudy, especially into Tuesday. That's our next chance to see a little bit of rain. Tuesday's rain chance is nothing more than a passing shower or two. The better chance for rain, the one that we've been talking about to bring a chance of severe weather, when do you think that might be, Teresa?
Thursday.
Thursday, Ed, Thursday. You think Thursday?
It's a pattern.
Something about a Thursday in North Texas. That's the day now. So we get into Thursday, another system will move in. That has the chance to spawn some scattered showers and storms. Some of those could be strong to severe. The better chance will be later in the evening, and it all depends on the timing of the front, the timing of the system. Still several days away. Expect some adjustments in the timing. Right now, Thursday evening into the overnights, the chance to see some strong to severe thunderstorms for the Metroplex. See there, right there. They're 6 o'clock in the morning. Front will move through. This is not a strong cold front in terms of how cold it's going to be behind it. It's a Pacific front, so we're not going to see these big drops in temps like we saw this weekend and late last week. It will just get a tiny bit cooler. That's it. Here's the outlook for Thursday evening. A level 2 slight risk for severe thunderstorms. There's your 1 to 5 scale. These are very common this time of the year. It's kind of your run-of-the-mill severe weather threat in North Texas. Large hail up to the size of quarters, 60-mile-per-hour winds in the strongest storms. Right now, most of the Metroplex included in this, and then areas to the west, eastern portions of North Texas not included. And here's what's coming up over the next 5 days in terms of temps. The little brief reminder of winter is gone. And then by Tuesday, we're in the upper 60s. By Wednesday, how about some 80s? 82 on Wednesday, 79 on Thursday. Tonight, 37, cold, dry with light winds. The freeze warning is in effect east of the Metroplex. Tomorrow, 59, cool, dry, and breezy, partly sunny. There's the next 10. Well, spring's back. Well, rightfully so, because it begins tomorrow. So I guess it makes sense, right? A lot of 70s over the next 10 days. There are those rain chances Thursday, Friday. Maybe another little chance the following Tuesday, but temps stay pretty close to normal, if not warmer than normal, for most of the next 10 days.